Planning to discover Palermo, but don't want to be weighed down by your luggage? Radical Storage is here to make your trip easier by providing quick and secure luggage storage while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll show you how to use Radical Storage to find and deposit your luggage at one of their many storage points across Palermo. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your belongings are stored safely and fully insured. Beware of potential phishing sites. Always use the trusted link in the description to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, finding a luggage storage point in Palermo is simple. Just type Palermo into the search bar, and you'll be presented with a list of storage locations throughout the city, including options near major landmarks and transport hubs. Choose the location that best suits your itinerary, select your preferred drop-off and pickup times, and proceed to payment. Radical Storage offers a secure online booking process, so you can store your luggage with peace of mind. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the selected storage point. Upon arrival, present the reference number to the staff, and they will securely store your bags. And that's it. You can now explore Palermo without the hassle of carrying your luggage, knowing it's safe with Radical Storage. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.